These are huge steaks. They came 3,000 miles across the ocean, and they're going to bring it on here.
You know, first course we have good old American hot dogs. Now we have those bright orange cheese curl things.
I think he's crazy. That's all I can tell you.
Good. Crazy is good. We like crazy.
We like crazy.
I'm shelling the peas into the hot pickling liquor with the carrots. And I'm burning my fingers because they're so hot.
You can take me seriously. I might be a bit twinkly, but I've been cooking for 27 years. Oh, burning my... Okay.
Oh dear, synthetic rubbish. What am I going to do with these? But, got to give it a go.
So, we have a UK showdown in the Chopped Kitchen today. Brilliant. Here are the rules. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course in the meal comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. Chefs, please open your baskets. And we have buffalo hot dogs, carrots, edamame, and butterscotch candies.
There's something about a hot dog that really... It's a bit naughty, but it's really delicious. I think the salad's the way to go.
I grabbed this wontons. I'm going to make raviolis with the sausages. I'm going to macerate my carrots, make a carrot sauce salad out of it. The reason why I want to win, I think, is I want my kids to see me being a success on the telly. It'd be amazing, you know?
So I want to showcase British food for the judges. I'm going to make a classic fry-up with the buffalo hot dogs. British fry-up is a breakfast thing, or brunch. Sausages, eggs, bacon.
I grab some white wine vinegar, some honey, a little bit of olive oil, put them in a pan with the carrots. To go with it, I'm going to make a butterscotch sauce. Give it a nice, rich, toffee-like flavour. I want to impress the judges in a way that they've never seen before.
So I've got 2 minutes left on the clock. All I've got on the plates is bread. It's time to push on.
My salad needs something crunchy on top, so I would make some croutons. And then I think, oh, cheese, cheese, cheese. Now I'm replicating the cheesy hot dog in a salad.
1 minute left on the clock, chefs.
The raviolis just come out. I've got to get the salad on the plate.
Well, one thing Tristan has already proved, the British chefs have plenty of guts.
I'm trying desperately not to panic.
30 seconds.
My adrenaline's pumping.
I've got to plate up.
And 10, 9.
Go, go, go. Get it out.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Chef Andy?
I've made caramelised buffalo sausages, carrots on a crostini with a sour cream, butterscotch, and bean dip.
The next we have Chef Lottie.
I've made for you a cheesy hot dog salad with edamame beans and an orange and butterscotch vinaigrette.
Chef Tristan.
I prepared for you a buffalo hot dog ravioli with butterscotch macerated edamame and carrots.
Chef Jun.
It's caramel hot dog with sage, pickled carrots and edamame beans, and butterscotch sauce. Sort of like hot dogs and sauerkraut.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Tristan, you've been chopped. Judges?
Tristan, you know, you really pushed the creativity envelope today, but you didn't push the flavors out of the ingredients in the basket, and we had to chop you.
Thank you very much for having me. And all the best to my teammates.
Chef Andy, Chef Lottie, Chef Jun, please open your baskets for the entree course. And the mandatory ingredients are pork loin, crunchy cheese curls, escarole, and chia seeds. You'll have 30 minutes this time, starting now.
Living in Britain is a big, big thing on Sundays to have a roast with the family, have a Sunday dinner. All I'm worried about as I'm cooking is how good are the other competitors' dish.
Oh, oh, oh. I'm dipping the pork into some maple syrup because it'll give a lovely caramelisation, but also because it's a great adhesive to stick that crust on. I hand fry the pork to hold all those delicious juices and then finish it off in the oven.
My plan is to make pork loin crusted with cheese curls and chia seeds, with escarole quickly sautéed inside, escarole puree, and a mustard sauce. Working in a restaurant for 20 years, I'm really confident with timings. So I check on the pork, it's perfect, it's medium. A couple more minutes just for the judges in case one of them doesn't like medium pork.
2 minutes left on the clock, chefs.
I pull the pork out of the oven and I think, yoo-hoo, it's cooked. Phew. So I go to the fridge and there in front of me, oh, thank you, flowers. I'm so happy, especially for me. This is gonna make my pork dish look really scrumptious.
I don't know how June is going to plate. He's got so much stuff on his station.
I've got about 5 different things on the go at once, but then it's something that I'm used to and I feel in control.
30 seconds.
The apples weren't quite ready. Where did the time go? I'm feeling the advantage of the other chefs. They're experienced guys in the kitchen. I realise I'm in a little bit of strife.
And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Flowers.
3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Lottie.
So I've done sheer and cheese curl crusted pork loin with an apple and brandy cream sauce.
Chef June.
Yes, I had the same idea as Lottie. I did a cheese curl crusted pork loin also with escarole puree, mustard sauce, and a spatula.
And final entree, Chef Andy.
I've made you a chia seed crusted pork with a big creamy escarole salad and cheesy bacon fry garnish.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Andy, you've been chopped. Judges?
Chef Andy, although we felt your pork loin was superior to the other contestants, we had some issues with the rest of the plate, so we had to chop you.
Thank you very much.
Chef Lottie, Chef June, please open your baskets. And for your desserts, you must use grape-flavored gelatin, lemon verbena, brie, and shortbread cookies. 30 minutes on the clock. Time starts now.
I grab the mascarpone and a little bit of ricotta and then add the brie. I'm going to use the shortbread for the base and a good slug of the orange liqueur as well, just to liven it up. Start a party in my cheesecake.
Financier is a sponge cake flavoured with brown butter and ground almonds. I'm replacing the ground almonds with the shortbread. My training is in classic French cuisine, and when I put crumbled shortbread inside the financier mix, it just feels so wrong. But that's what this competition is all about. It is a risk.
He is struggling to get everything on the plate, and there's a small part of me thinking, yeah, don't succeed.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef June.
Yes, it's a grape jelly and brie financier with lemon verbena, apples, and raspberry coulis. I honestly thought that they weren't going to be ready.
Chef Lottie.
I've done a brie cheesecake sitting on top of the shortbread biscuits, a little chocolate pot, grape verbena, and blueberry syllabub.
Cinna what?
Syllabub. It's a very ancient English pudding.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Lottie, you've been chopped. Judges?
Chef Lottie, we felt that the salad was sort of unevenly dressed. The pork was under-seasoned. And the third course, while brilliant, we felt that the cheesecake crust, it just didn't work. So we had to chop you. But I gotta tell you, you certainly brought sunshine here today to
Thank
Chopped.
you. Well, it's been a pleasure. It's been great fun. It really has.
And that means, Chef June, that you are the Chopped champion and that we're sending you home with $10,000.